The one thing I get asked all the time when people see how I fold my clothes is, how do I do that? And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to efficiently fold your clothes so that you can have a nice and tidy suitcase when you travel. I'll take you from this to this. So this is my rendition of how I fold my clothes. I know there's a bunch of different other options and different ways to do it, but I found that this is the easiest for me, and I can just chuck it in my suitcase and not have to worry about things unraveling because it's all rolled up nice and neat. This is my pants, my jeans, my hoodie, and my underwear. I'm missing socks. Stand by. I can tell my wife did these. Anyway, socks. I must have just fold them right now. Okay, let's try that again. So, clothes, socks, because I forgot the socks. Let's get into it, and I'll show you guys how I fold my clothes. So for the t-shirt, it's super easy. We're going to fold the bottom up roughly, I don't know, 2 inches or so. This shirt's different because it has the drop down. So on your other shirts, you're going to want to fold a little bit more, roughly this amount. So from here, you're going to follow the collar line down, flip it to it, make sure you match it up. Take your sleeve, turn your sleeve in, do the same thing for this side. Match it to the end of your collar, flip your sleeve in, right? So you're in thirds, spin it around. You take your collar side and just roll it up. To the bottom, you'll see that you have this little flap here that's inside out. What you'll do is you take that and you roll it around, and you have yourself a t-shirt sock dog. Next, we got a pair of jeans. All right. So for this, you're going to fold it together first, the face first in the face. You're going to leave a little bit of gappage here. All right. Make sure this is nice. And you're going to take this end here. You're going to fold it in. So you get a nice straight edge. You fold this in half. Fold this in half. All right. Take this half, and this half's going to feed into here. And there's your jeans. You got some workout pants or just some, workout pants. We're just lounging around every day. So for these, we're gonna fold it in half. All right, same premise as the jeans. You fold this in so you get that nice line. You fold this in half, fold this in half, and then this side, like the jeans, it's gonna get folded in. Tucked right inside. For the boxer briefs, right? You're gonna do a fold of the triangle this way, fold a triangle this way, fold it over, so you have a little bit of gap here, maybe about 1 inch or so. Take this, fold it over to about 1 inch on that side. Do the same thing over here. You're gonna hold it down, pinch it, and you're gonna take this outside flap, fold it around. You got yourself a nice little boxer brief row. Now for socks, I got long socks, short socks, ankle socks. These I can get real small. I tend to flip it face down, and I roll from the toes back to the heel, like this. Take this outside rim here, fold it over everything, turn it so it's inside out, and you got yourself a little sock doll. Now for the long socks is a little different because What I used to do in the past was roll them as well, but what I was finding out was that this part of the elastic on the ankle was stretching out. So what I do now is I put the socks on top of each other. I'll leave a little bit of gap here. I go thirds, and then I go thirds. So thirds in a Z motion. So thirds and thirds. And I take this outside sock here, I stick my thumb in it, and I stretch it around both, just like that. You got yourself a nice flat sock fold. Now everyone's favorite, the hoodie. So for the hoodie, what you're gonna wanna do is start face down with your back facing up. Okay. Same premise as the t-shirt, where we're gonna find the collar or the end of the hood here, where the shoulder meets the neck. And you're gonna fold that over, like so. We'll fold this guy right over. We'll do the same thing on this side. Fold it over, just to make sure you wanna match up the lines here. And then for this arm, you're gonna fold up and down. Same thing with this one, up and down. Okay, now from here, I'm gonna go a third, and one more fold, just till we get to the base of the hood part. I'm gonna fold the hood inside out on top of it all. All right, so we get this nice little holding pocket, and I grab the strings and I cinch it up. Tie a little slip knot just to make sure it doesn't unravel. Tuck that in, and voila. Got yourself a nice little pretty compact robe. So I hope this was helpful for you for your next travel adventure. And if you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that thumbs up because it really helps our channel grow. Also, if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our upcoming videos. Until next time.